In this video, I'll show you how to import your Phantom wallet with your seed phrase. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is install Phantom wallet and open it on whatever device that you're using. For this example, I'm going to use my phone. If you don't already have a Phantom wallet, I'll leave a link to Phantom wallet down below in the description. So once you're on this page, you're just going to tap here on agree to the terms of service, and you're going to select the second option, which is I already have a wallet. And from here, you can either log in or import an existing wallet. So we're going to go to the bottom and tap on other import options. And here we're going to select the first option, which is import seed phrase. Tap on it. And here you'll enter your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase of the wallet you want to import. Once you've entered your seed phrase, you're just going to tap on import recovery phrase. Your account has been imported. You're just going to tap on continue. Toggle on device authentication if you want. Log into your account, and you're all done. And that's how to import Phantom wallet with seed phrase. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like.